In today's video, I'm going to show you two options for a quick and easy bathroom fan fix. Both of these options only take about 10 minutes and they require nothing more than a screwdriver and a ladder. These are so easy, we're not even going to turn off the power. We're just going to turn off the fan switch on the wall. Now, most bathroom fans are made by Broan Nutone, and my fan is a Broan as well. The cool thing about these fans is that the motor and the fan are mounted to an insert plate, and that plate is completely replaceable. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to take that insert out of a fan, because my fan made a noise for a few days and now it's completely stopped working. So let me show you how to take that plate out. All right, our first step is to remove the grill assembly. The grill assembly is held on by two spring clips. And to remove them, you simply squeeze them together with your fingers like that. Let's see if we can get this side too. Oh yeah. With the grill assembly off, or the cover, our next step is to unplug the fan. And you can see there's an outlet in there. So the outlet is controlled by the light switch on the wall. That's why we don't have to turn off the power, because there's an outlet in there. Our next step is to locate the side with the little screw hole. So it's on the same side as the outlet. And we're just gonna pry it until that tab pops loose. Once that tab pops loose, this insert is completely ready to come out now. And it hinges on the other side. There's two clips over here where it hinges. So we're just gonna pull it straight out. And it just will come straight out now. And that's how easy it is to come out. It just pops right out. And the two options I'm gonna show in this video are for fans that are what's known as a square fan. So they run roughly 7.5 by 7.25. So measure your fan, and if it's the square one, both of these options are going to work for you. It's also a good idea to take a vacuum cleaner and clean any dust that's inside the housing before you get started. Here are the two options I'm going to talk about in this video. The first option is a new construction fan, and the second option is a replacement kit. The new construction fan comes with a housing, the insert, and a grill. The replacement kit has the insert and the grill. I picked both of these up on Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below for both of these, and if you use it, it'll help out the channel. This option here, I would simply pull the fan out and not use the housing, and it comes with the grill. Now, I did find one at Home Depot. It's the Nutone 696N. It appears to be the same motor as the Broan. The Broan is the 688. Both motors appear to be pretty much identical, and both fans look to be identical as well. The one at Home Depot is under 20 bucks, and the one from Amazon is a little over 20 bucks. If you have a Home Depot near you and you decide to use this option, that might be the way to go for you. Replacement kit is actually an upgrade kit. It's the QK60. This comes with a different motor and a different fan. This moves 60 cubic feet per minute of air. These only move 50. The fan that comes with the new construction fan is no comparison to the fan that comes with the QK60. The QK60 is 2.5 zones of sound, and these are supposed to be 4 zones of sound. I'm not quite sure how that translates to decibels, but we're actually going to install both fans and we're going to do some sound testing. And we'll find out if this one is actually worth the 50 bucks that it costs. While I'm here in my bathroom, here's a chip I repaired several months ago in my bathtub. As a little update, you can see this thing's holding up really well. Here's a link for that video. Here's what we're going to do next. I'm going to take each one of these fans with the grill they came with. I'm going to install them into my housing, and then I'm going to do sound test and show you which fan is the quietest of the three. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to pick one and show you how to install it in the ceiling. First up from Home Depot is the Nutone 696. I've got it installed with the grill that it came with. And so let's turn on the switch. I'm going to call that 48. And let's switch fans. Next up is the Broan 688 from Amazon. It's installed with the grill that it came with, and I'll turn the fan on. Seems to be hanging out right around 47. I don't know about you, but I didn't notice a big difference between these two. Maybe 1 decibel, but they were very similar. Now let's test the QK60. There's the QK60 installed with its grill that it came with, and I'll turn the switch on. And I'll go ahead and tell you that the QK60, even though it's only a couple of decibels quieter, it seems to have a smoother sound. It doesn't matter which of the 2 fan options that you use, these insert plates are going to all go back in the same way. You've got the 2 tabs on this side that are going to match up with the 2 holes on that side, and then it's going to click into place on this side. So we'll just line up those 2 tabs on that side, and we're just going to push it until it clicks right into place. And there it clicked right into place. You can see the fan blade is spinning freely, and then we're just going to plug it back in and put the cover plate back on. My choice for fans is the QK60. Is it worth 50 bucks? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to support the channel, subscribe and use the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again.